To add the hamburger menu to the desktop site in Squarespace, follow these steps. Log into Squarespace. Go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Open the website you want to edit. Access site settings. In the home menu, click Design to open the design settings. Then select Site Styles. Enable mobile-friendly menu. To add the hamburger menu on desktop, you must first ensure that it's enabled for mobile devices, as it's typically mobile first. Under Site Styles, locate the mobile navigation section. Enable the mobile style menu or hamburger menu if not already activated. Customize navigation for desktop. Go to the navigation section in the design settings. Click on primary navigation or header and select the mobile first design for the menu. Some templates automatically apply the hamburger menu style for desktop when mobile navigation is enabled, but others may require custom code. Add custom code. If your template doesn't automatically apply the hamburger menu on desktop, add custom CSS code to your site. Go to Settings, Advanced, Code Injection, and paste the necessary CSS to display the hamburger menu on desktop. Save and publish. After making adjustments, click Save to apply changes. Preview and publish your site.